Okay, Kike Buma, how excited are you to watch Road Trip?
I'm so excited to watch this movie. I'm with my friends, together with my brother, and of course with my best friend. They're there. Hi, hello. I invited my best friend to watch this because this is more on a story of friendship, and I'm really can't wait to watch it.
Okay, now I see the excitement in your face. Grabe talaga, mga excited na tayo. Mahilig po ba
With
kayo?
kilig.
With kilig! Excited na po ba kayo? Nagro-road trip ba kayo?
Yeah.
Magkakaibigan.
Road trip plus food trip.
Ay, ang saya naman ng road trip plus food trip. And for sure, after po natin itong panoorin, mapapa-road trip talaga tayo. Kaya naman, pwede po natin silang i-invite January 17.
Hi, don't fail to watch Road Trip on January 17. It's a must-watch movie.
There you have it.